What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another video. Tonight we're going to do a video number 2 of a company I did about a week ago called UNCS, Unlimited Clothing Style. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I appreciate all your support, all the love on here and Instagram. You guys have been super cool, super awesome. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I upload content usually daily most of the time, but I've been slacking here a little bit here and there, but I'm trying to get constant content out to you guys. But tonight we're going to be talking about a company that's been making clothes for a long time, a company that pays attention to detail, a company that makes clothes for today's modern man type person. Their size, if you're a bigger man, this company's for you as well. They go from I believe a small to a 6X. Some of the styles that I've seen in their booklet are absolutely amazing. I know in the first review I couldn't say enough about how nice their stuff looked. The material they use are some of the best materials they can buy because they depend on their customer service for you guys. They want you guys to have the best. When you purchase from them, you get this booklet. It kind of shows you everything they got, and this is like a 90-page book. I'll just go ahead and scan through it real quick for you guys. I mean, tonight's review, I got 2 things for you. Obviously, the shirt. I don't know if you guys paid attention, but I'll go ahead and stand up. Such an awesome shirt. And on the sides, on the other side, I'll put a picture right here of what's on the back, and the cut. I don't know if you guys paid attention, but the cut on it, it's kind of like you just take something with scissors, but it's done in such a perfect way. It's like a style cut, and it feels really good. The material is lightweight, breathable. When I wear this outside, I don't get hot. Really comfortable. And that's the first item. The second item, as I stated a few minutes ago, they make their own hats. And they also sent me this. Just absolutely awesome logo, awesome design. And like I said, they make their own hats. And it's like your standard hat, but it's like a lot softer up here. And the netting, you know how usually it's kind of stiff up here. This is like really soft netting. The design on both sides, it's got their logo on it, and on the back tag, and of course the front. I super like this because it's like embossed. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get my big mug out of there. It like comes out of the hat, and it fits awesome. Go ahead and throw it on real quick for you guys. It's a flat top, or flat bill rather, and as you can see, it's just overall quality of this company is just absolutely amazing. The shirt is comfortable. The hat is it's like a super soft material. Just an overall great company. If you guys are looking to get some new clothes, head over. I'll leave everything in the description box. Head over to UNCS and check them out. I'm sure you'll find something on their website that you'll want to get. And you will buy, because they got some great products. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Keep up to date with my content. Make sure you hit the notification bell. I want to send a shout out to UNCS for sending this. I really appreciate it. Absolutely awesome material, awesome design, feels great. I look great. I get compliments. Just that's what this company wants. That's what they do. They make awesome apparel, awesome hats for you guys. Thank you guys again for hanging out with me tonight. Everything will be in the description box. Till the next review, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.